Hey guys, how y'all doing? Shantae McLean here, back again to bring you another video. So, as I always say, I hope everyone has had a wonderful day today. Alright, let's get right into the video. I will try not to make this too long. In this video, I am talking to you again about Digital Wealth Pros. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over the call center. How the call center works. I wanted to just do a little small explanation of that because I know when I saw the opportunity, I kind of got the wrong idea as to how the call center was going to work, because they said the call center was going to handle your calls and close your sales. So I was under the impression that when I got a lead, the leads went, like the call center would contact my leads and see if they had any questions and help them get started. That's actually not how it works. Now I understand how it works, and I wanted to get on here and explain it just in case someone else was like me, didn't understand how it works. So, as I stated, with this system, the really best thing, one of the best things about it is that there is a call center that actually talks to your prospects and answers their questions and help close your sales for you. These are live people who answer the phone. It's not a robot. It's not a recording. It is actually live. They will talk to a live person. They will need your member ID, and there will be a number provided once they check out the presentation. It's going to show your information and the number for them to contact and speak to the live agent to help get their questions answered and the sales closed. So how this works is once they opt into this capture page or whichever capture page you have set up, they're going to enter their name and email. The presentation will play. They will watch the presentation. At the end, like I said, it will go to a page that'll show your face. It'll have the member ID and the phone number. They will contact the call center at that number. At that time, someone will answer the phone to find out if they have any questions, and then if they need help getting set up, or they will go ahead and help them get set up so that they can pay and get started. So that's basically how it works. I was under the impression that they were going to be calling your leads, but it's actually no. You share your link on whatever platforms you choose to share your link on, or however you advertise your business. And so you still have to share your link, but through that link leads them to your capture page, and then from the capture page they get the information. So you never are to just send the number to them and have them call the number. That's not how it works. Because if you send them the number, you think about it. If you are looking for a business and somebody just send you a number to call, and when you call the number, they're like, well, do you have any questions? You ready to get started? And you haven't even seen the presentation. And you're like, well, I don't even know what the product is. You know what I'm saying? You still need to take them through your link so they can see how it all works and what actually Digital Wealth Pros is, how it works, what the pay is, what the compensation is, and then they go to where they enter, where they'll see your member ID and the number to call. And if they're interested, then they call the number. But like I said, I had the wrong idea about how it worked. I didn't understand it. And so now I do understand that, that's how it works. But you definitely still have to do your part and share your link. Okay, so you still have to promote, you still have to share your link and advertise your business. That hasn't changed. But all the people that are interested that call the number, that's when the call center steps in and gets them set up or answer the questions that they have, which is actually great because I have had many times, matter of fact, last month, I actually had this happen. And I know a lot of people are like me. When people are calling your phone and you don't recognize the number, especially when it pops up Idaho or Virginia or California, is an out-of-state number, and you're sitting there like, okay, I don't know who this is. And the first thing popping in everybody's mind, this is a bill collector. I ain't answering the phone. And it actually wasn't. It actually was someone who was interested in my business, but I didn't know at the time. Thank God they did leave me a message. And when I checked the message, I'm like, oh my God, this was someone interested in, they saw a video of mine on YouTube and they had questions about my business. Well, think about with Digital Wealth Pros, if that happens, they're going to call into a call center. So you're not going to miss that call, because when they call in, the call center is going to step in and they're going to handle that for you. So that is a win-win. That's one thing that really, really got me interested, because like I said, in the past, I've seen businesses with call centers and they did not work out well. But this particular business is doing excellent. So many people are seeing results, and the call center is doing a great job. So I just wanted to get on here, like I said, and explain how the call center works in case there were any kind of questions or whatever. And I hope that this helps you better understand it. Please like and subscribe to my channel, by the way. And please make sure you click the bell notification in case to let you know when I'm doing a video. It'll send you out a notification. I always forget to do that part first. Somewhere before my video's over, I always remember to I happen to remember to do that part. But anyway, I thank you guys for checking out my videos and subscribing to my channel and for the support. And if you feel like Digital Wealth Pros is something that you're interested in, please go to the description and click on the link and go through the system and check it out. It's a really great system and people are seeing some amazing results. And especially in these hard times, it is a great way to earn some extra income. So guys, that's it for me. Until the next video, you guys take care and have a great day. Bye.